Okay, so we're flying to Fukuoka for the very first time. And for today's video, let us ask our fellow travel content creators ng mga tips nila in flying to Fukuoka. Tara! At sasabihin ko, sasagot na pala. Akala ko may tanong pa.
Okay, for me, siguro isettle nyo na yung travel tax nyo habang nasa Cebu Pacific booking pa lang kayo para hindi na kayo pipila pagdating nyo dito sa airport.
Hey, ikaw.
Ano yun? For me naman, online check-in na lang agad with Cebu Pacific para iwas na lang sa pila and pagdating nyo sa airport, backdrop na lang agad.
Pogi!
Ay, ano to? Okay, if you're katulad namin na mga mother packer, mag-book na kayo ng baggage nyo kasama ng ticket kasi mas mura. Kesa dun sa counter, mas mura yon.
Ako, for your peace of mind, ang payo ko sa mga frequent or first-time travelers, get a travel insurance kasi you'll never know what happened. And the good thing about Cebu Pacific Air is for as low as 411 pesos, covered na lahat.
Ako, mga tip ko, mga bestie ko, purchase your add-ons as early as possible. Meron tayong seat selection and in-flight meals para at least talagang we make sure na your journey going to Fukuoka is very comfortable. So we are ready for our Fukuoka adventures, mga bestie ko! Daily direct flights po ito with Cebu Pacific, ha? So ngayon pa lang, i-check nyo na. Balita ko kasi bumababa for as low as 3,000 pesos something ang fare. Huy!